Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will guide you for standard size of RCC footing for residential building up to G+1 story. Okay, so this is for residential building, not for commercial building. If you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel and like this video because this is very interesting. If you have already subscribed to the channel, so you may like this video because here we have deliver something new in this short video. Okay, so let's get started, guys. This is for G+1 story, ground floor plus first floor. Okay, first of all I will tell you size of column. Remember guys, size of footing, sorry. So size of footing for normal residential building up to G+1 story, so the size should not be less than 3.5 by 3.5 feet, or you can say 3 feet 6 inches by 3 feet and 6 inches. It should not be less than this. This is its size. Okay, let me write here 3 feet 6 inches by 3 feet and 6 inches. This is size of footing. Okay, next guys, remember this is for G+1 story for normal residential building, not for commercial building. This is size of footing. Now let me guide you for depth of footing. Okay, next guys, the depth of the footing should not be less than 1 meter, or you can say 3 feet, and also you can say 3 feet and 6 inches normally you can say. So or 1 meter, let me write here. So this is GL, ground level. Okay, so from this bottom to this ground level, this should not be less than 1 meter, or normally you can say 3 feet and 6 inches. This is minimum depth. Okay, so here guys, the bed depth should not be less than, this is the bed depth. So let me show you the bed depth. It should not be less than 12 inches. Okay, first of all we will do thickness of subgrade. This one you can use here the ratio 1:4:8. Okay, you can say 7.5 M7.5 grade concrete, you can say normally for this. Okay, then when you place the subgrade, or you can say the thickness of this subgrade should not be less than 75 millimeter or 3 inches. Okay, 3 inches for all sides. All sides mean for bottom, left, right and top. Okay, so these are the depth, etc. Now let me show you guys. If you see, this is column. Okay, so depth of the footing should not be less than 1 meter or 3 feet and 6 inches. This is minimum depth. Okay, normally if you go to if you use 4 feet, so that will be more better than this for G+1 story. Okay, and the bed depth is here 12 inches, or you can say 0.3 meter. Okay, so this is specially for this. Next guys, you can see the column. So the column is inside this. So in next video I will guide you for the standard size or also size of column for G+1 story. Guys, you can see here, this is the section. So let me guide you for its steel reinforcement. So guys, here let me show you the steel reinforcement. So you can use singly mesh. So singly mesh, same like this guys, you can see clearly. And top section guys, you can see these are its details. So for, you can say, steel reinforcement details. So remember here, use 12 millimeter dia with the spacing of 6 inches C/C. Guys, you can see main bars and distribution, both of them guys, you can see 12 millimeter, or you can say ½ inch with the spacing of 150 millimeter or 6 inches center to center. These are the details for the footing steel reinforcement, but this is singly mesh guys, you can see here in this section. So these are steel reinforcement. Okay, like this. Don't provide doubly mesh for G+1 story because this is economical. Next guys, these hooks which you can see here, these hooks should not be less than 4 inches. 0.9D you can use also, a 0.9D you can say, especially for this. On the top of this we are providing what, here guys you can see the column. The column is placing same like this guys, you can see like this. Look at here. So here guys you can see this leg length should not be less than this length, 16D, where D is die of bar, which is longitudinal bar. If you are using 16 millimeter or 12 millimeter, so that is specially you can take from there. So these are some important information related, depth of footing, size of footing, inside steel reinforcement, and next guys used here. So now let me guide you for grade of concrete. Grade of concrete. So here guys, remember, use M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1:1.5:3. 1 part cement, 1.5 parts are sand, and 3 parts are aggregate. So this is for M20 grade concrete because this is the foundation, and foundation is the, you can say normally this is the so a foundation or footing is the main part of building, if that is a residential building or commercial building. So if the foundation is weak, it means if you are spending a lot of money, why not if you are spending a lot of money on the superstructure, okay? Because the foundation or footing is also called, or that is called substructure. Substructure is the foundation, or if the substructure or foundation is weak, so it means if you are providing high quality material, or if everything is very good or expensive, why not? So if the subgrade or the foundation is weak, so you are not able to support the structure load, especially on the foundation. So therefore foundation should be strong according to the structure load of the building. What is structure load? Structure load means this is the self weight of the building. So if the self weight of the building is greater than the foundation design, it means the foundation will be failed. So otherwise you will face more problems. So guys, this is a short video to guide you for standard size of footing for residential